Ikaw ba ay isang teacher 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, or 7? Lalo na kung ikaw ay isang master teacher or school head, so itong video ay para sa'yo. So sa panahon ngayon, teachers, we are always asked by our heads to provide MOV or means of verification. And if you are planning to apply for a higher teaching position, isa sa mga hinihingi sa ating MOV or proof is how we help our colleagues. So since ginagawa naman natin, it's time for us to provide the necessary document. So isa po sa hinahanap ay ang Technical Assistance Report given to teachers. So hindi lamang po ito pang master teacher or school heads, but that if you are a TIC, OIC, or isang teacher 6 or 7 and gusto mong magpasa ng application for higher teaching position, pwede pong hingin sa inyo ito. So ano po ba ang laman ng or ang recommended technical assistance report if you are going to send this to your validator? So una po is yung ating, of course, heading, ang heading ng yung school, the title, then one of the focus area is instructional supervision, and here how you supervise your colleagues. So halos sa mga MTs dyan or sa mga school heads, if you are giving assistance sa content, knowledge, and pedagogy, and what are the strategies or activities that you are conducting to be able to give support under content, knowledge, and pedagogy. So ito po yun. Then the schedule, so blank lang po yun because this one can be utilized or can be used if ever wala yung document nyo yung last year or kunong taon. So ilagay nyo lang po dyan the persons involved and the results. So this one is flexible or you can modify this because ito po ay may free copy. So kunin lang po yung soft copy nito sa description nitong video. So pag click nyo po yung title nitong video sa YouTube, makikita nyo yung link. But my dear teachers, don't forget to get the password. So nilagyan ko po ng password nang sa ganun ay kahit paano ay tapusin naman ang video nang sa ganun ay mas maintindihan ano ba yung mga laman nitong video. So yan po. Then professional growth and development. Now the next area is on curriculum and planning. So when we collaborate with our colleagues, what are the areas wherein we can offer technical assistance? So when we apply positive and non-violent discipline, so ito yung ating focus area sa about dito. So kapag nagkaroon tayo ng CO, mga FGDs or post conferences, so dito kung ang focus mo is to apply positive and non-violent discipline, so yan yung pwede mong i-offer na assistance. How will you help your teachers? So yung results niyan, so na-adapt yung mga strategies and improvement ng class behavior. Next is use differentiated learning experiences. Kung yun naman yung focus ng TA nyo, so nangyayari yan during CO ulit. So kung hindi ka pa naman master teacher, kung ikaw ay isang teacher 6 or 7, so during FGDs or post conferences. Sa date po again or schedule, this one is adjustable. Depende po sa kung kailan nyo ginawa. I-edit nyo na lang po yan. Then the results, yan po. Next, on sequence teaching to meet curriculum standards. So yan po. Pakibasa na lang. Pwede nyo pong i-post itong video. Then ito po ay common na nakikita natin sa mga PMS, yung participate in collegial feedback and discussions. So ano yung mga activities, yan, monthly, and the results. So this one po again is just a sample content wherein you can modify this one. Pwede nyo pong gamitin. Next is assessment and reporting. So yan po yung focus area. Then similar parts, paki-pause na lang yung video if you want to focus more on the content. Then ito po, sunod ng mga nakalagay. Then Of course, kapag tapos na yan, yan na po yung report ninyo, technical assistance report. Of course, you have to write your name, prepared by, so position nyo dyan, noted or approved by your principal, then yung footer ninyo. So again, this one po is just an example, and again, this has a free copy. Kunin lang yung password sa video na to and i-download. So my dear teachers, if nakatulong po yung ating content ngayon, if you want, you can subscribe para always po kayo na-update. And follow na din po sa ating bagong FB page. Ang pangalan po is Sir Jed Files. Ilalagay ko na lang po sa description nitong video para at least madaling mahanap. So, thank you po for watching and God bless!